Let's talk about virtual phone systems for a moment. In this video, we'll cover why choose a virtual phone system, why not to choose a virtual phone system, the costs of a virtual phone system, and the requirements for support. The main reason why you would choose a virtual phone system is if you have your own server already, whether that's on-premise or if you've made the decision and you've moved your business to the cloud and you've already got server access, then you can host your own phone system. You wouldn't choose a virtual phone system if you've got unsuitable broadband, or of course if you don't have server access of your own. When it comes to costs, you will make some savings if you've already got your own server infrastructure in place and then you go ahead to host your own phone system. When it comes to support, voice expertise is critical. Even if you have your own IT staff or a professional IT provider, it's important to engage with a voice expert, and here's why. Voice and data will be using the same network. However, they have different rules. And in what we've found is that even experienced IT professionals typically don't have an advanced understanding of the rules for voice. And this means that your experience with your phone system troubleshooting is compromised unless you have access to a dedicated telephony expert. So in conclusion, if you have your own server, then a virtual phone system can be great for you, but you need that expert telephone support. If you'd like to talk about a virtual phone system for your business, reach out to Greg on 1300 58 4000 and receive that expert advice that you need.